Do you wish you could just click one button and clone a super affiliate's 100K campaigns, and then plug these campaigns into 100 free traffic sources, and keep on cloning these affiliate campaigns every single day? Starting now, May 2021. Now here's what this is all about. Hey, Chris here, and along with my buddies Rich and Vivek, I'm the creator of a game-changing new app, the 100K Cloner. 100K Cloner is a completely new way to make money, because it lets you clone over 100K of my top campaigns. Imagine, if I just gave you a special link, which meant that my traffic became your traffic, my affiliate links became your affiliate links, and my website became your website. So I simply handed you the entire affiliate business built into one website, so you could clone it all in just one click. And without any of the usual roadblocks that stopped you profiting until now. Sounds incredible, right? So let me show you how it works. Because today I'd like to welcome you into the 100K Cloner, the ultimate one-click commission, website, and traffic solution to force your way to daily commissions. See, 2021 has been a profitable year for me so far. And as the year starts to get really profitable, I wondered, would it be possible to let everyone bank life-changing commissions and get real buyer traffic on tap by copying my entire business onto a single website so they could clone absolutely everything I do, but without any of the usual hard work? Well, today I can finally say it is possible. In fact, it's here. And I call it the 100K Cloner. This new one-stop software gives you an instant turnkey website, preloaded with 100 free traffic sources, and packed with dozens of done-for-you affiliate campaigns that made me over $100,000. My new app hands you 100K of commissions and traffic on a planet, so you get to keep 100% of the commissions while doing 0% of the work, and it pushes the free traffic to your new websites. In fact, it pretty much forces you to do everything needed to make money by doing almost all the hard work for you, with everything preloaded inside a single website. It's the easiest way to become a super affiliate in 2021 by copying what I do. All you need to do is add your affiliate link and click launch. And just like that, our incredible software will build an entire multi-page website around your choices, monetized and preloaded with content, reviews, banners, and of course, your affiliate links. These done-for-you campaigns are all preloaded into an instant money-making, fully hosted website with 10 software tools with giveaway rights for anyone who buys from your link. And remember, every campaign includes a buy button with your affiliate ID automatically embedded. So when someone clicks to buy, you get 100% of the commissions for all of these income streams. Now, if this sounds incredible, you're right. In fact, the 100K Cloner has been in development for months. It's the software I would have wanted when I started out, back when my affiliate accounts looked like this, and not this. It's a completely automated web-based software which creates entire websites with just one click. Fully monetized in one click, ready to get traffic in one click, and able to build your list in just one click. There's zero writing, zero setup time, and zero startup time for you to make your first sale. Unlike other apps which take hours to set up, then months to get results, this sets you up with everything you need to profit on day one. In fact, it clones my proven system to you in seconds, in the form of a traffic-getting, commission-making, 100% done-for-you, fully hosted website. Just imagine an instant website fully monetized and customized for you in seconds. Are you starting to understand the profit potential here? Once you get going with 100K Cloner, you'll never need to buy another marketing software ever again. Just think of the cost savings. No worrying about affiliate marketing, list building, traffic, or making money online. And since it's all in one, there's no worrying about hundreds in monthly fees. Because for early action takers only, we're letting you have access to all of this without charging any hosting costs. Plus, to make this a complete no-brainer, we're also including a 100% money-back guarantee. If for some reason you're not thrilled, or you feel like my autopilot commissions aren't for you, just let me know, and you get a refund, no questions asked. But remember, in 2021, affiliate marketing will be divided into two camps, the haves and the have-nots. the six-figure affiliates, and everyone else. Which side do you want to be on? Wouldn't it be easier if someone else blazed the trail, did all the work, and gave you the blueprint, and then forced you to follow it until you were profiting? If you've tried chasing success and failed, why not let me just force it upon you instead? Don't let this pass you by. Okay, I think you understand what's at stake here. Click the button now for instant access to my software. You'll get instant access to your 100K Cloner website. Do it now. Don't wait on this. Click the button right away. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.